Hi, in front of me is tablet DELL 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings and selecting System on the left. Following that, click on Notifications, scroll down, and click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same, now white sweaters. You can also tap on Most Recent at the top and choose the best option for you, for example name. Then select your app the same way. You can even click on this little icon of an arrow next to the sweater and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!